In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the total sum in Google Sheets. If you're working with numbers in a spreadsheet, one of the most useful things you can learn is how to quickly add them together. Google Sheets makes this very simple using the sum formula, and once you know how it works, you can reuse it anytime you need totals for budgets, expenses, sales figures, or any other list of values. To begin, open Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where your numbers are stored. Make sure the data you want to add is already in the sheet so you can reference the correct cells. This method works whether you're totaling a short list or a much larger column of numbers. Next, click the cell where you want the total to appear. This is important because whatever formula you type will place the result in that selected cell. Usually, people place the total directly below a column of numbers, but you can also put it anywhere that makes sense for your layout. Just be careful not to place the total inside the range you're trying to sum, since that can cause confusion in your sheet. Now type the sum formula. In Google Sheets, formulas always begin with an equal sign. After that, type sum, followed by parentheses. The sum function tells Google Sheets that you want to add together the values from a selected range of cells. For example, if the numbers you want to total are in cells B2 through B10, type equals sum, open parenthesis, B2, colon B10, close parenthesis. Written out, that looks like this. Equals sum, then B2 colon B10 inside the brackets. The colon is what tells Google Sheets to include everything from the first cell to the last cell in that range. Once the formula is entered, press Enter on your keyboard. Google Sheets will immediately calculate the total and display the result in the cell you selected. If any of the numbers in that range change later, the total will update automatically, which is one of the biggest advantages of using a formula instead of calculating by hand. As a helpful tip, double check that your cell range matches the exact numbers you want to include. If one row is left out by mistake, your total will be inaccurate. Also, make sure the cells contain actual numeric values and not text, since text entries usually won't be added in the total. That's how to calculate the total sum in Google Sheets. Once you get comfortable with this formula, it becomes a fast and reliable way to organize and analyze your data.